Now, friends, now we have seen what are the things we have seen? We have seen the how to do a drop down. Okay, how we want to do the alert. Okay, how we want to do the scroll up, scroll down. Scroll up, scroll down. And how we want to do the
color font button.
Color, font. Okay. And now we are going to see the now we are going to see this get attribute. What is the use of this get attribute? We are going to see this get attribute. Okay. This get attribute will have the is there by this here the attribute ID as well as name and value, whatever it's there, it will show. For example, in the Facebook page. Okay, in the Facebook page, for this particular username, there is one ID is there, email is there. Okay, and then for a login button, there is one name and there is one ID. Okay, but once we are when we do the automation, this ID is changed. How it's changing? It's changed or not changed? We will see now. Okay.
Okay.
Kitty, are you okay?
Yes, yes.
The ID is changing or not changing? We will see now. By the way of get attribute. Okay. Attribute. A new class. Okay, here publisher tick void main click and then click finish button. And then give here you want to give it as WebDriver driver equal to new EdgeDriver. Sorry. So here we want to go by step by step. Driver dot get inside this. We want to place here as this website. Yes. This website you want to paste it here. After here, the another command is maximize command. Here we want to inspect this login button. Okay. For that, here the name login is there. So we are using this. Okay. So the driver dot find element by dot name. Inside this name, we are giving it as a double quotes. Inside this double quotes, we are giving this a login. Okay. Here we are want to give that get attribute. Inside this get attribute, it's showing it's a string name. In this string name, you want to give it as a ID. Okay. In that ID, what the address is, this is the address. Okay. We want to copy this and then we want to paste it here as like a in the command prompt, in the like a command. Okay. Just for identification.
Okay.
So always get will get some answer. So we want to give here as a string. The last time we have seen the here also the get is there. The get will get some value, and then for that we are giving it as a string, and then we assign it to some other value, and then we are giving it as a System.out.println. No, the same command we want to use there also.
Okay.
Why? Because it's getting some answer. That answer we want to see means we want to give some other data type should be
Value.
there. Okay. So for that we are giving it as a sysout. Println. Yeah.
नीचे का पूरा कंटेंट डालते नहीं है उसका एक ये पूरा
So while we're running this, the particular ID which was this is coming correctly or not, we will see now. Okay. Not only ID,
Okay.
we can give anything else. Like the name, the particular web element, whatever it's there, we can give anything else. Here, that value is there. You can able to give class. Any attribute name you can give. Okay, now you understand? Kirti, are you understand or not?
Yes, yes.
Any attribute if we giving the value what is given here, it will get and then it will printed in the console. That's all. Okay. Let's see now.
Okay.
After running the program, you will understand. Yeah. Here, after the program run, see in the console, see this is the attribute, ID's attribute, value is the number is changed. See, here is 9, here is 5. Okay, so whatever we done the attribute here, if we done right click here and then do the inspect here, then we will see that change. See here it is showing it as U05Z. Okay. If we want to run once again, then also it will change. See. Always ID name will be a unique. Okay, it will not change. But some of the web pages done by Angular, React, like that web pages, the ID name will be changed. See here, again it is changing. U05. In previous time it is Z. It is now it is K.
0.
K. So all the time it is keep on changing.
Over time change
it's change. It will change. Okay. The get attribute is the way that we use here. Okay. Another way the get attribute will use, like, for example, if I am typing here, it is a Chandru here. Okay, I am typing here as a Chandru. This Chandru is correctly typed or not, that we want to do a confirmation means. For that, we can give here as a, for example, we choose here the name, okay, email. We go there. What you will do? You will do driver.findElement By.name. Inside this name, you want to give here as an email. Okay. Here dot send keys. In that send keys, you want to give here as a Chandru. Then only it will come as a Chandru. Am I right? Kirti, you understand this line?
Yes.
This line, this is the thing here. The Chandru you give means then that the Chandru will come. Okay. And after that, you want to give like this string here. Okay, string. And again, if you want to give the name as u, okay, and you want to copy this fully, and here you want to give get attribute. Inside that get attribute, you want to type here as a value. You simply give here as a value means then it will whatever typed inside that text box, it will take and come and reflect to your sysout. This u will take and come your what you typed inside the text box. Because here the get attribute is value. Always in the here the value will not be there. The get ID will be there, name will be there, placeholder will be there. In something, everything will be there. But the particular value will not be here. So value indicates that what you typed inside the text will be printed in the console. That's all. Okay.
Okay.
Or I want to explain once more. Kiti, what do you understand? You tell me. What you understand? You tell me.
For login, we are using a attribute as a ID to get the login, and for email ID we are why we are using send key.
Send key we want to type something. That's only then only it will take and come something. No. A value
So
will
for
take
that
and
we
come
are
something
using
and
send keys.
Send key we use to type the something inside it. Right?
So if we are doing the same for the password, then also we will use the send keys.
Yes. We want to say we want to type something. Then only it will show. No.
Okay, for typing we have to use the send key, right?
Yes.
Every time for anything.
Yeah. We have done already the send keys. We have forgotten.
Send keys.
First we have seen in the username password in the
Yes,
login
yes,
page.
yes.
The first program we have seen.
Mm-hmm.
Friends, you remember that the send keys clear click we have seen already. Iftan. உங்களுக்கு தெரியல இது நான் வெயிட் பண்ணாத या the send keys உங்களுக்கு தெரியல हम लोग यूज किया ना याद है नहीं है वही बोल रहा हूँ सेंड कीज से पहले वाला क्लास में सेंड कीज क्लियर क्लिक वो यूज किया है कीर्ति भूल गया अभी जो यूज कर रहा हूँ जो सेंड कीज टाइप कर दिए वो टाइप जो हुआ वो लेके आने के लिए इधर वैल्यू डाला
वैल्यूज राइट हाँ वो समझा
friends please note everything otherwise you will be the loser so Chandra is typed here okay that Chandra will be shown in this console also see this okay and again now also it's changing into E
password
Iftan
sir
புரியுதா
புரியுது சார் சார் உசேன் என்ன கூப்பிடுங்க சார்
Huh?
Hussein.
Hussein. Okay, Hussein.
Okay.
So get attribute, get attribute, get text, get CSS value is finished. Now here the is displayed, is enabled, is selected. We will see. We will see now. Okay.
Okay.
So this is displayed is the use of to check whether the particular web element is displayed or not. That means a particular logo is there or not. A particular just create a page for a brand or business like that. The message is given, no? This message is displayed or not. That we will see in the is displayed. Friends, கொஞ்சம் கேளுங்க, நீங்க பேசுற கேக்குது.
Okay.
So here in this is displayed, we will search that the logo is displayed or not. The logo is shown in the particular web page or not. For example, if we search this particular page, this address is showing. By this address, here we will give Control F, and then this attribute value will be taken. Okay. Here /img square bracket at, and then you want to copy and paste that attribute value. Friends, whatever I'm doing now, you want to do in the tomorrow's class.
Yes.
It is a practice class. Tomorrow is a practice class. I want to see all the computers screen, all the laptop screen, whatever the commands I'm doing now. Please see the videos fully and then come on the tomorrow class. Practice by yourself. Okay. Here you want to give here boolean as a data type. Why? Here we are searching. Here we are searching the image. The Facebook logo is displayed or not. That's all. For that, why we want to use that boolean? Why we are using the string as a data type here?
Because it is the numbers.
It may consider the numbers are alphanumeric, the combination it will come. So we are using the string as a data type. So for searching this Facebook logo is present or not, we want to use boolean. Why? The boolean data type, what it will consider?
Primitive.
Yeah, it is a primitive and it have only true or false.
Yes.
So we need the exact answer. It is correctly shown or not. The Facebook is show or not. Show means gives true. Not shown means it will show as a false. So we need only yes or no answer. We don't need any message like answer. We need only yes or no answer. So for here we are using that. That is the purpose we are using here as a boolean. I understand everyone. Rather, once again I want to explain. The purpose we are using the data type here is and here the boolean is the yes or no answer. For the yes or no answer only we are using that. Kirti, have you understand this boolean, why we are using it?
Yeah, because we want a answer which is true or false. That's why.
Yes, correct. That's all. Because we want to answer that the logo is present or not. That's why we are using
Present
that
or not.
boolean.
Boolean.
Okay. So here the system.out.println same. The sprint line will be given here, and here you want to give the name as D. That's
D.
all. Okay. Now the same thing for is enabled, is selected.
Hmm.
Is enabled means what? What does mean is enabled?
Enabled.
Have you seen that enabled? What is the meaning of enable?
Enable मतलब दिखना चाहिए.
हाँ बस सही है. जो enable है वो बटन है ना, वो ऐसा होना चाहिए. वो जब भी हम लोग माउस पॉइंटर लेके जाएगा,
Hmm.
इसको enable बोलता है.
Hmm.
वो पर्टिकुलर हाईलाइट होता है. जैसे इसको हाईलाइट हो गया, इसको बोलते हैं enable.
Enable, right.
ठीक है. डिसेबल भी है. डिसेबल बटन. देखो इस बटन में एक enable था, एक डिसेबल था.
Right.
ये जो enable बटन है ना, अपने फेसबुक ये जो देख रहे हैं ना, उस समय हम लोग यूजर नेम नहीं दिया, पासवर्ड नहीं दिया, तो इसको डिसेबल करना चाहिए. अगर ये उन लोग नहीं किया, क्यों? क्योंकि जो हम लोग पासवर्ड यूजर नेम डाल नहीं पाते, उसको इन्होंने एनेबल
Disable
डिसेबल
concept.
दिखाना चाहिए ना. वो
हाँ.
सीधा दिखा रहा है एनेबल, वो सही नहीं है, वो गलत है. बट समझे रहे. As per manual testing, we will do the inspection for this button means if once we type the username and password means then this button should be enabled.
Hmm.
Okay, that's the way. For example, see here, this is the another website for a clarification I'm showing here.
In some websites, there are some points which we cannot click. So
Yeah,
that point is also we considered as a disable point, right?
yeah. See here, this is what you're trying to say. This is a disable.
Right. Mm-hmm.
This we can't able to click at any time
Mm-hmm.
because it's a disable. This is a enabled.
We
Okay,
can click.
while we can use this URL, we want to give here as a driver dot get. Okay, inside this driver dot get, we want to paste the URL. First, we have done for this driver dot get is the Facebook website. Here there is another website. Okay, don't be confused. Okay, this is another. So another maximize command, another command. After this maximize command, here we are going to inspect this web element. Okay, this particular button. This particular button what will show? It will show the disable. So if we give here as a if we click on this button will show that it is a disabled. Okay, this disabled itself we are taking. Okay, and here / button square bracket at attribute and value. Value should be in single quotes. Okay, this will be taken, and this is correctly highlighting. Okay, so this will be taken. as address. And here we want to give the same command what we have done here. The same code what we have done here, we want to give a same command here also. But here that isDisplayed should be changed. IsEnabled. IsEnabled. Okay. This location should be changed. Am I right or not? This enable should be changed. And here this D should be changed into E. Okay. This is out. We want to copy and then we want to paste it here. This D should be changed into E. And if we run, this web page will be open, and after this web page open, this enable disable will be checked, inspected, and then will give an answer as. Now it will show the answer. What it will show the answer? True or false? What will it show? Tell me.
False.
False. Correct. That's all. Because it is checking that enable, but the button is disabled.
Disabled.
The button is disabled means it will show at this as a false. That's all. Okay. The answer is given here as a false. First answer is true. That is called as an isDisplayed. Here the logo is available, so it's showing it as a true. And another answer is false. Okay. Is there any doubt? अब लोग समझ गया नहीं किया?
समझ गए सर।
जो समझ गया मेरे को कल आके दिखाना चाहिए। पूरा वीडियो आप मैंने रिकॉर्ड करके दे रहा हूँ, पूरा देख के अपने अब लोग दूसरा वेबसाइट से प्रैक्टिस करो, प्रैक्टिस करके कल आके मेरे को पूरा दिखाना चाहिए प्रोग्राम लिख के। ठीक है? ओके, तो ठीक है। अभी इस एनेबल्ड, अभी इस डिस्प्लेड हो गया, इस एनेबल हो गया। ये अभी इस सेलेक्टेड देखेंगे। इस सेलेक्टेड इधर ही देख सकते हैं। ठीक है? इस सेलेक्टेड किसको देखेंगे? इसको भी देख सकते हैं और इसको भी देख सकते हैं। If we have done selected or not, if we selected means once you click means then it will be selected. Am I right? So this is selected or not, or otherwise in the radio button, it is defaultly selected. Am I right? So we can able to search for this Safari. For this particular, this is a particular website. It is showing clearly as a selected defaultly. So this is selected or not, we can able to search. Selected means it is already clicked. Am I right? So this is the another website. We want to give it as a driver.get. Inside this URL we want to paste. Inside this URL want to paste and then semicolon. Okay. And then the same, the maximize, minimize command, everything should be come here also. And then here we want to give it as a yes. Here the enable should be removed.
Selected.
Yeah, here is selected. Okay. And then here the is selected. This also want to remove. Then here for this, we are searching the class as a attribute. Okay. Control F. Control F here. We want to give single quotes, square bracket. Here we want to give double slash span square bracket at that's all. And it's showing it as a 1 of 5. So we want to give here as a bracket, overall bracket, and then we want to give last number square bracket. Inside the square bracket, you want to give 2. 2 is not showing correctly. 1 it's also not showing correctly. 3 it's also not showing correctly. 4 4 is the correct answer. Am I right? Okay. Okay, we are taking the 4. Here we want to give it as a 4. And after this, we want to here also we want to change it into yes. Okay. Now I am running this. Now 3 websites will be opened, and in each everything will be done the answer, and then it will shown in our web page. Okay. Now the last website here also it's showing it as a false. Okay. Okay, that's all. Today's class was finished, and see, today's topic we have seen is get CSS value and get attribute and is displayed, is enabled, is selected. Okay, this 5 topics we have seen. All the 5 topics is belongs to a data type as a string and boolean. So please remember and then see the recordings and then come on tomorrow. We will see the another thing.
Okay.
Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt?
कल आएगा सर, अभी नहीं आएगा डाउट.
सही बात है. So okay, thank you. Bye bye.
Okay, thank you.
Good morning. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Hello.
हाँ बोलिए ना.
Okay. Bye bye.
Okay, bye bye.